New burn location. Today's recipe. Blowout done. Good morning and happy Tuesday. My burn is opening back up. So I'm wearing burn blue for my workout, and it's not even 5 a.m. There's no reason for me to be doing this workout other than I want to do their first workout in their new space because I did their first workout in their old space. So it just makes sense to me. So I'm going to put on my burn tank, I'm going to get my pre-workout, I'm going to get my water, and we're going to do this. Here it is. New burn location. Oh my God! Yay! Burn is back. They did such a good job. The gym came out amazing. The new floor is so soft, like the old floor. It's like a special floor. So if you're not familiar with Burn boot camps, it's called the floating floor, and it's like a squishy floor. There's like a little bit of like bunginess underneath. Like it's not like a trampoline floor, but there's a little give to it, so it's better on your joints for like any of the jumping moves and stuff. Like it just gives you more support. It's maybe like a little bit unstable for certain exercises. Like sometimes we do sort of like one-legged things, and sometimes it can be a little unstable for that. But other than that, it's better on your joints. So we really have like all ages come, and it kind of takes out some of that impact. So anyway, the old one, like I don't know, if you think of like kind of like AstroTurf, it wasn't that grippy because it was like thinner fibers, but this one is more like felted. Like it's literally soft. I noticed when I went to Metro West the other day, that one had the same felted floor, so I'm really excited that we have the felted floor, because yesterday I noticed I wore the Booty by Bray Band's shorts in the croco material, and the back of them was all like pilly, and I think it's from sitting on that floor. And I noticed yesterday at the other location I went to that I feel like that was like grippy and scritchy, and I think that was part of why the back of my shorts got pilled. So this will be more gentle on our activewear also, which is very important. So for the rest of the week, I will not be going at 5:15 a.m., but I think it was worth it for today, for the first camp. Well, I walked in the house and immediately knew it smelled funny, and my dog had pooped twice and peed, which is not ideal. I mean, I'm glad she's pooping and peeing, but I took her out last night. She didn't do anything. She had not done that before I left for the gym, so had I just brought her outside before the gym, that would not have occurred, but I wouldn't have thought she would have needed to go out at that hour. She is now peeing though, so that's good. I just napped because I went to the gym too early. My hair looks crazy, but I'm getting a blowout today. So I have 2 credits left at Drybar. So I want to use them before like something happens and they go away. I'm just looking for my iced coffee. I think maybe it's in the fridge out here. Are you? Yes. Today's recipe. Starbucks. Ooh. Then I have some of this. Okay. Oh, yeah. Splash of the chocolate caramel. Bigger splash. All right, I'm gonna mix that, and then I got this cold foam creamer. I never use this, but I saw Nikki Blackletter use something like that. Oh yeah. Okay. And then I feel like we're gonna want the first sip without. Oh. Oh. Oh, baby. Okay. Oh, that's good. Oh, darn. That's a problem how good that is. I visited my mom yesterday and she had extra hand soaps. That's a Christmas one. And then they're both coconut. So perfect because we were out of soap in the bathroom. I'm gonna go with this one. Schnuckles. Hi, babe. Hi. She's definitely doing better, except she peed and pooped while I was at the gym, which surprised me because that was so early. There we are. We had this, I think this has like water in it because it's really like not very soapy anymore. It is very much breakfast time, so we're gonna have this bagel that I made. The rest are all in the freezer, but this one was in the fridge. We're gonna cut that guy in half, toast it on up. Toast. Okay. While he toasts, I'm gonna do my body shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair because Drybar is gonna wash my hair for me. Okay, bagel, let's go have a seat by the couch. Random, I will do an outfit update in a moment, but I was just trying on my jean shorts from last year. I was afraid they would be too tight, but they seem like they work. The only thing is, like, I wish the inseam was a little bit longer because I remember I didn't end up wearing them last year because my thighs were like kind of rubbing in them. So I don't know, when I got them they were fine. So I don't know if it's like the thighs or maybe like as they got soft it kind of like rides up. So anyway, I'm thinking of ordering some Levi's on Amazon, but I don't know what size I am. These are 31s, but I don't know, like, these are J. Crew. In Levi's, am I a 31 or a 32 or am I a 33? I really don't even know. And I'm aware there are size charts, but I feel like they're never accurate for jean type of things, if that makes sense. As promised, all right, so this is an Ayuga tank top. I wore my pink one like yesterday or the day before, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm wearing this. And then these are, I think these are by Sunzel biker shorts. They're high-waisted. There's like a hidden scrunch, like little V-back. You can't tell there's a scrunch, which is good. I like that. And then it's just like a really nice smooth fabric. They're from Amazon. I'm so bad at linking things, but if I think of it, I will link them for you. I should just shove all of this in my Amazon storefront. That's what I'm gonna do. Ready? I'm gonna update my Amazon storefront today. So like when you're seeing this, it will be all updated with all my favorites from like my morning routine, the products that I use for that, my activewear, any of my activewear that I really enjoy, that I wear a lot, I will have in there. It is Prime Days right now, not when you're seeing this, but in real life. So I think I'm gonna film a Prime video, so that will be up like whenever you're seeing this. You can go back if you want to see like my Amazon favorites. That would be kind of a fun thing. I was just thinking I should film, like if I'm getting my hair done, I might as well make use of it, right? I am here at Drybar for my hair appointment. So it does look like it might rain out, unfortunately. It's funny because it like has rain in the little icon, and then when you go through the hourly, it was like sunny to cloudy and no rain in sight. However, it does look a little cloudy and rainish. I also will be going to Lulu. So here's my Lulu. It's not like a hack, and it has gone wrong before. My Lulu strategy is I try stuff on in store to make sure I like it, to make sure it fits. And then I put it in my cart, and then I stock my cart until the things go on sale. And then when they go on sale, I buy them. The strategy for that is getting them on sale. And also, when you get things on sale, usually they're final sale. Or like, if you remember, you can get store credit. So you want to make sure they actually fit you. So important that you try them out. This did go wrong, however, with one of the sweatshirts. I really wanted the scuba in medium forest, and it sold out. So that was, I think, the only time that's ever gone wrong for me. And I recently was able to get it on Poshmark. So the wrong was righted, and it's like nearly brand new. It wasn't new with tags from Poshmark, but it was like almost brand new. So I did get that at a better price. But that's what I recommend, and I love the Raceway green right now. It's like a beautiful green color. You know me, I'm obsessed with green. So I got the bra of it in that color like a month ago, and I really wanted the matching leggings, but I really didn't want to pay full price. And they just went on sale for $89. So I snagged them. They are at the Lulu across the street from here. And I love going in there after I get my hair done, just to film a little bit. I may not try anything on there. I can't decide. Because I do want to film at home. So I don't think I want to like ruin my hair by trying stuff on. Oh my God, this lady's backing up and a guy just walked directly behind her because he's talking on his phone. What an idiot. That would not have really been her fault. Anyway, yeah, so that's the plan. So yeah, I'll show you my hair once it's done. I do not let them brush through my hair, by the way. If you've ever seen me after my blowouts, I really make sure that they keep it so that once I do go home, if I do change clothes and stuff, it's still looking good. Blowout done. I left it all crazy and curly because it's just gonna blow out as I walk. It's time for a viral cookie. So viral, in fact, that Sarah from Inspired with Sarah, who lives in Tulsa, Oklahoma, stumbled upon a reel featuring them. Good news is the line is not out the door. Cookies. This is salted Twix. This is Oreo M&M. I think what I just have to do is just bite into it. Okay. Salted Twix is good. Let's check on the Oreo. Oreo is good. I feel like the bar of the Twix doesn't really need to be in there, but otherwise it's very good. Okay, I feel like that's enough considering I haven't even had lunch. Next stop, another star to see if we can get my iced coffee. I think they're gonna have it this time. They have it, I knew they would. And they have Starbucks, how dare they? I kind of want some of that too. Should I get one? I should get one. It's Lulu time, woo! There she is, she's so pretty. Of course there's a breeze and it feels great, except I know that it's blowing my hair. Let's go. Excitement is palpable. This is gonna go. I cannot lie to you. I did try on some shorts. No, I tried on some pants. Oh my God. I tried on pants. I did not get them. I resisted because I got my green Raceway green pants. I already told you the story behind them. I have the matching bra already. So all I did was order and pick up the ones that I tried before in new fit. And that way I was not tempted to get other things because I was already checked out. I also saw one of my burn sisters. She works at Lulu. I don't know how she does it. It must take so much self-control. Yeah, so I'm gonna go home and do a little filming, I think. I really wanted to do a 75 hard like wrap up kind of thing, but I don't know that I can handle that. But I also want to do like an Amazon favorites, so we'll see. We'll see how I'm feeling when I get home. There is a bunny. It's times like these that I want to drink alcohol. Oh yeah. Place item on scale. Item on scale. Place item on scale. Look, I have a rose. We have a mocktail, water, and a homemade cover bowl. And a pop. All right, time to try this probiotic ice cream culture cup. Some of the chocolate stuck to the top, so I'll try not to hold that against them, but this is the peanut butter cup, which I normally would love, so it's good. Here we go. Sorry it's dark in here. It's cute, it's good. I like the idea of it. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and say goodbye because I never say goodbye on my vlogs. So thank you so much for watching. If you made it all the way to the end, really appreciate you. Really helps watch time if you go all the way to the end. So thank you, you're the best. Let me know down below, what is your favorite ice cream flavor? Subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye.